Hi everyone, today we're opening a small Lego box which I have bought from eBay. It weighs around 5 kilos and I'm not sure what's inside. I've seen only like the surface from it, and as you can see that's not a small one. Let me quickly open it. And now we will search through everything and look what we have got. I'm gonna pull everything out, just like that. Yep, we don't need the box, we need only the back. I will put it here in the corner, and now here are my two boxes. The right one will be used for minifigures and the left for all kinds of interesting parts. I have already prepared a brick separator for all the Lego chunks which we will need to disassemble. And here goes our first Lego pile. Let's take a few more. And the first thing I found is some kind of spinner. Maybe it's from Beyblade, I'm not sure, however. Another brick separator and one more brick separator with a minifigure torso on top. I think it's from Scuba Diver. We've got a white, half-eaten Lego plate, another brick separator but in a blue color. Also I found this cool looking part which looks like a fire coming out of the snow. I guess it's from Minecraft set because of its square edges. But which set is it? I don't know. Another plate which suffered not the best fate and was eaten by baby. Oh yeah, oh, what do I see? We have some more Lego power functions parts. And I will test them a bit later because right now we are on sorting stage and testing stage will be at the end of the video. We've got a really shiny Ninjago spinner part which is fully covered in sprinkle. A skater boy with a dark red hoodie which is not Lego. A blue wheel which is Lego. And yeah, this pile is finished. Now we will move everything back into the box and take some new parts from the back. We got some trash. And look what I have here. That's a Lego Technic part with a sticker. We've got a Chevrolet Camaro wheel. Nice. You got a red minifig and I can't move its legs because they're glued. I mean, in this situation, there's nothing we can do. Some cylinder with mountain sticker. What else do we have here? A skeleton torso from Ninjago. Sensei Wu, who was sentenced for a horrific death. Rest in peace. Hey! We've got an Iron Man keychain and it's in a great condition. Super! Those were all the interesting things from this pile. Now we're moving to the next one. Cool looking transparent parts and a pizza sign. I found this umbrella piece with a lime color. We've got a phone. Another Technic piece with a big sticker on top. A blue guy dabudi-dabudai with a poo-poo on his head. At least he stays cool with it. Two more minifigs from Ninjago. And another minifig. We've got a compass from Minecraft. A round red net. A really shiny wall piece with some snow on it. Maybe from Disney set. You've got some flag with some Ninjago symbols. Also I found this piece with printed lock tiles. And this piece was the last interesting thing I found. So now it's time to take some more Legos out of the bag. And that would be enough. Right from the beginning we've got a whole piece with a sticker, which is clearly from police set. Bro, you must look at this. Look, what is that? Why is her face is covered in something, and why is her eyes closed? Like, why it looks like it was made on a purpose, man? What did the previous seller do to this minifig? I don't wanna know. I don't know. No. Moving to the next one. A cupcake, which is not Lego. We've got a sticker tile from Lego Friends. And here it is, we've got money, cashback. And here we have 25 kurus, whatever that is. Leave a comment down below if you know where people use this money, in which country, because I have no clue what is kurus. Now I will clean everything up again and take a new pile of parts. And you can already see a joystick, a remote control here from the car. That's perfect. Yeah, it's a bit greasy, just like the woman mini, and has only one battery inside. For now, I will leave it with other electric parts. And we've got another sticker Technic piece with BBC Top Gear. You've got pizza! Nice! A puffer fish? Really? I've never... Ah, it's a helmet, okay. Just a cool golden weapon, looks strong. Another shiny wall piece. A tile with gas sticker. Maybe we have a gas station here. You've got a purple cape from Joker, I think, but as you can see it's in a really bad condition, so I don't think that we will be able to use it properly. Battery number 2. Nice! We've got this thing, looks unique. We've got a red dice with some strange numbers on it, like 70, 80, 120. What the hell is that? Another minifig from Ninjago. A brick with numbers plate. Oh, I know, that's a thing for the baby. Okay, okay. Don't mind the sound. Done. Now moving to the next pile. Another toy which has been eaten. We've got a big non-Lego minifig, but he looks nice. Some really stylish hairpiece. Hey, that's a nice one. Look at this motorbike. Looks so sick, like it's a really cool bike with these barrels and plates. I really like it. And it's also big black bike. Like that's the actual motorbike. Brrr. For the cool guys. I think that's a wing from Minecraft Parrot. We've got a piece with a Chevrolet print, Rosetta sticker, a skeleton head. Now cleaning everything up. Yep. Moving all these parts back into the box and taking out the new ones. Just like that. And one more grab. We've got some Scooby-Doo case from KFC, not Lego sadly. We've got some big red circle parts. Oh yeah, that's a printed cape. It means that we may have a really cool minifig here. I will check it out a bit later. The third battery, put it into the remote. And yeah, they do not work as I have thought. The batteries must be changed. Another piece from the remote. And yeah, it still doesn't work. As I have said, the batteries must be changed. Yeah, we need to change the batteries. Definitely. And that's another phone. We put everything in the box. And taking out a new pile. Yahoo! And one more. And more. Yeah. Okay, we've got 2 plates. We will sort them out. Take a bit more. And yeah. We've got a toy tractor with a really long hand, which is not Lego. Wooden brick. A black Nexonite shield, which looks really gothic with all the spiked edges. Another Ninjago flag piece. You may have already noticed that now we are getting a few less interesting things which I can show to you. Yeah, that's because we're coming to the end of this all Lego mix. But still, there should be some interesting stuff hiding underneath, right on the bottom of this Lego mix. So stay tuned to the end. And also I will try to change the batteries in these electrical Lego pieces and check whether they are working or not. I found this big chain of Lego pieces. Maybe it's from a tank or something. A Minecraft skeleton flag. Wait, what? Fabulous Lightning McQueen, but I haven't seen any Cars movie parts here, like, no at all. I suspect that this Lego mix is also full of incomplete sets. Anyway, now we're moving to the next pile. Another mixed minifigure. Torso is from Minecraft and the legs, I think it's from the Joker. We found the parrot's head. Nice. As I said, yes, that's the end of the bag, but that doesn't mean that it's the end for the interesting stuff inside. And cleaning up. And now we are finishing this back, and I'm taking all the remaining parts which are laying inside. And this goes into the trash can. Thank you the back, bye bye. And yeah, that was all the cool stuff. Yeah. The last pile has prepared nothing for us. Yeah! Yes! Very good! Very good! Okay, cleaning everything up for the last time, and it's time to see what we have found. For 5 kilos of mixed parts, this amount of minifix is not the best one, but the result is still quite good. And now I will try to build the minifix to their original state. And as you can see, we have a whole, not even 5, we have 4 minifix which are actually complete, and one of them is covered in some stuff. And also the printed cape, I have noticed, is damaged. It was cut by scissors or something, I don't know. So the minifigure results are very unsuccessful, but at least we've got some interesting parts here. And now I will take all the electric parts, change the batteries, and check whether they are working. We have a motor, we have a remote, another motor, signal receiver, and a battery box. And that's a complete set. Nice. Time to change the batteries. And yeah, it's glowing and it's working. Nice. Let's move to the battery box. Tuck, and it's also glowing and should be working. The signal receiver is also glowing. Okay, let's check everything out. It is in a working condition. Now, let's test the second motor too. And yeah, it's also working. All the power functions parts are in a perfect condition. Yeah, sadly we won't renovate any sets in this LEGO mix either, but in the next video we will, because I found a really cool mix. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and bye bye!